It's Pete from Cheap Homesteading. We're in the woods and I got to cut a little more firewood so we can boil this weekend. The weather was showing that it was going to get really warm and I was assuming we weren't going to have another boil. And our boil on Saturday was awesome. We boiled 1,000 liters of sap, but it took way longer than I thought it was going to. And I burnt more wood than I thought I was going to. So I got to cut as much dead ash and get it to the trails. I don't think we're going to get it back to the sugar shack today. Getting it down and piled is half the battle. So let's go. So today I'm going to use the Husqvarna 372xp clone. It's made by holzfforma. It's the G372xp. I actually have a chance to run this thing because I've been so busy doing other things. I haven't been able to run the chainsaw. And you know what? I kind of miss it. So we have a few dead ash and it's pretty close to my sugar shack. We're going to cut them down and start cutting it up. Even though this is close to the sugar shack, I'm not going to waste time carrying it. I'm going to stack it and pile it so at least it stays a bit dry. And then I'll come get it later. There is a few dead ones there, as long as they don't land it on my pipeline. And there's another dead one there. I should have a decent pile right here, so we're gonna start cutting. Man. You know what's happening? I'm actually starting to just grab the holzfforma 372xp because I can cut so much more wood than I can with my Husky 55. It's not really a fair comparison because I haven't actually ever ran a Husqvarna 372xp, so I have nothing to compare it with. But now it just seems like if I grab the holzfforma and go out, I can cut way more wood. So that is what is happening now. So I'll show you what I cut so far. So I got this pile and this pile cut, and the one over at the sugar shack. So I need about 4 more of these for sure, maybe even 5. So we're gonna continue down the trail, see if we can find some bigger. Okay, so that's about enough for tonight. I think I have enough cut for next Saturday. So the snow's picking up and I'm going in. So you guys have a good one.